In this video, I'll guide you through how to transfer music from your computer over to your iPhone without the need of iTunes. So this is by far the quickest and easiest method to get music across from your laptop over to your phone. It's completely free to do and doesn't require the use of any cables, so we can do the entire thing wirelessly. Now what you need to do is just head over to your mobile device, come inside of the App Store, and then head down to search in the bottom right hand side. Search for VLC Media Player and hit search. Head over to VLC Media Player and click this download link. And this is a relatively small application, so it should only take a few seconds to download. And once you've downloaded this, we can select open. Now you'll get this message pop up. It's important that we allow this, so just click on allow, and then you can press done in the top right hand side. From the bottom navigation menu, come over to network, and down here you'll see this option sharing via Wi-Fi. You need to turn this on. And now the only thing you need to ensure is that your laptop and your iPhone are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So if I just quickly head over to my settings and my Wi-Fi on my phone, you can see on my phone I'm connected to BTSSAH. If I now head over to my laptop, you can see I'm connected to that exact same network. So let's head back over to the VLC Media Player app, and right at the bottom down here underneath sharing via Wi-Fi, you'll see these set of numbers on my phone. So I've got 192.168.1.194. Now these are the numbers that we need to enter into an internet browser on our laptop. So just go ahead and load up an internet browser on your laptop, and then go ahead and type in the numbers that you see here. So for me it's 192.168.1.194. This is going to load up this sharing via Wi-Fi page. And now in order to transfer music across your phone, it's super straightforward and very quick. We just head over to this add symbol in the top right hand side, select the file or the set of music that you want to transfer across. I'm just going to send over this one sample song here, double click this. And as you can see, it uploads almost instantly. And now if I head back over to the VLC Media Player app on my phone, come over to the audio tab at the bottom, you can see it's uploaded almost instantly inside of here. So it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you transfer music across from your laptop over to your phone. If you did find this video helpful, then please consider dropping a like and subscribing.